guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist and welcome to my studio. Today we will talk about commercial aspect in your workflow. We will talk about commercial aspect in your photography and graphic design workflow. I would like to share with you my latest project for my client. So guys, let's start. I have opened Dimension CC, and on the left side of my screen you can see all 3D objects available in Dimension CC. But for now, I will switch to my Creative Cloud library. And here I have my image I would like to work with today. I will click on this image and drag it into my document. Let's talk about this project. I'm working with makeup artist. She has her own makeup line, and now she's in a process to launch her hand lotion line. It will be a travel size and full size of hand lotion. I created a label and a logo for her a new line, and now we're in the process of creating advertisement for her launch. Because I knew she will launch her line somewhere by the end of November, I decided to create her advertisement for her launch in a wintry style. So I shot this image in my studio. As you can see, I used generic holiday season objects, ornaments, and I used a lot of snow because it's winter. Now guys, by the way, you can notice that I have a lot of empty space in front and at the on the right side of my image, because I knew I will be placing my client's bottle in somewhere in my image. I left a lot of empty space. So guys, now I will click on match image button right here, and I will ask Dimension CC to resize canvas to image aspect ratio, create environment light, and match sunlight, and I will click OK, and voila, Dimension CC did everything for me. I will click on horizon tool. I will bring my horizon line down, and I will change angle of my camera just like this. Perfect. Now I will switch to my starter assets, and here guys, I'm very happy because default dimension 3D object in default 3D dimension library, I have perfect bottle for my client. This is exactly what she will have in her full size of hand lotion. I will click on this bottle, and voila, I will switch to select and scale tool. I will hold shift key and I will resize this bottle. Oh, I'm sorry, just like this. I will make it bigger, just like that. Perfect. I will switch to select and move tool, and I will bring this bottle slightly on a distance, just like that. Guys, look at this. How beautiful is it? Now guys, it's miracle. I have another 3D object very close to the travel size of her hand lotion. So I will click on it just like that. I will move it. I will switch to select and rotate tool, and I will rotate it just like this. Perfect. Now guys, what I will do, I will click on squeeze tube tab. I will expand it, and I will click on a body tab. I will switch to my material library. By the way, this library is free. It's default Dimension CC library. Feel free to use it right away. I will click on first material she wants to use, just like that. I will click on lead tab, and I will click on gold material. Now guys, you understood why I use this gold ornament, because this gold ornament very complement to her style of her line. Perfect. I will be back to my scene panel. I will click on bottle. I will expand it. I will click on a bottle tab and I will apply same material. I will click on lid and I will apply same gold material to the lid. Guys, look at this. How beautiful is this? Just look at all reflections. Amazing. I'm speechless as usual, guys. Guilty. So what I will do, definitely we need to apply her trademark, her logo and everything like that, but I will be not using her logo today because she didn't launch her line now. I will be using default brand logo, default Dimension CC brand logo. I will click on this logo and I will drag it into my bottle, just like that. I will rotate it very close, by the way, to her logo, just like that. Maybe just like this, and holding shift key I will resize it proportionally. I will bring it slightly up and voila. In properties panel, guys, I will move metallic slider almost all way to the right, just like this, and I will bring roughness slider to the left, just like this. Guys, look at this. How beautiful is it? Now I will click on my squeeze tube body tab and I will use, of course, same brand logo, just like this. I will rotate it. I will resize it, again holding shift key. I will scale it up or resize proportionally. I will move it and I will increase metallics. I will move metallic slider almost all the way to the right and I will bring roughness down, just like this. Beautiful. Now let's talk about our light. I will be back to scene panel. I will click on environment. And guys, definitely I can increase or decrease intensity of my light. I will bring it up slightly and I can change rotation, just like this. Perfect. What I will do, I will click on camera and I will enable focus, just like this. Guys, I want to make this image look natural. So if I will make all two 3D objects just in focus, it will be not realistic looking image. What I will do, I would like to bring focus to the small tube and slightly out of focus that a bottle. So what I will do, by default Dimension will bring in focus front object, front 3D object. In our case it's a squeeze tube, but definitely you can increase or decrease blur amount. I would like to make this bottle out of focus but not completely, so something like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I will be back to my environment panel. Let's see what I can do else. I can change rotation of my shadow, definitely like that, and maybe sunlight. Let's talk about sunlight, guys. Just look at this. Look at my background image. I have a shadow on the left side of my image behind this gold ornament. What I will do, I will bring intensity of my 3D objects shadow down, cloudness down as well, and I will bring high down, just like this. Also I can change rotation, and I'm not happy about high. So I will make shadow smaller, just like that, and I will bring down intensity, just like this. And guys, I'm very happy. So guys, after you will be happy with your project, you will say, yes, I can send it to my client for review. You can render your project as usual, or you can share your project with your client, and your client will be able to preview your project right away on the web. Simply click on this share icon, share 3D scene, and click publish 3D scene, and you are done. Send link to your client and everybody will be super happy. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you understood how easy you can create successful commercial for your client using only your camera and Adobe Dimension CC. By the way, if you would like to add some text, simply bring your Dimension CC project to Adobe Photoshop CC, and voila. So guys, thank you very much for being with me. I'm super appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. And if you like this tutorial, and I hope so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you later. Thank you guys. Bye.